A light cable. A light cable is if you go back at any time, I will just send back again. If you look here so back again, the same water back don't work here. Water don't work here. After people contribute at this area, and Mr. Marlon at the Mawe leave it to all the better also. And Mr. Marlon don't follow case and don't try for you very hard. And I really say Mr. Marlon at the Mawe don't do for that, you know, system disgrace. And you have to back again in the system. If you get camp, every year camp. I tell you, if Papa government, every year camp, you're going to see. That's now. Even the 6 days, because of the water, it's heavy. Whatever you come in, the Boku don't cover the damage. Access road to school, everything they pass now, so les premiers schools open les box with the killing those from other schools they back in now they pass and if Papa government you see all the drainage they get the star road smile at all build na they go this way they pass the cut like too small and if you watch to what the slab the back here
so how do you find out the system coming out will happen
if you watch that camp every camp yeah for the boys that people post them people in the coast for clean when the people in the work and some people are not for work and they make some people in the late and are passing sometimes they wait for the water to we're not there for pass now so pass the people they go pass round and then as the people there and box with camera is good and as they watch now and Mr. Marlon and the Mawe contribute for them and make it so and as you see over and back again pass some people on side yes and as you see over and back pass some people on side at least the 1 bad kilo one small you don't manage it small.
And all this is about football.
And watch out, all this is about look what's on the inside here so and watch out so all this is about for both sir. If you watch out so all this is about to people on there and hey watch out. See ya, you're not ever this sir. Yeah, you get full cover now the water when the water they come because of the bonus strong and this back again I trust you before this August they done this back they go back because of not too strong again. If you watch right now the water don't stop the water don't let big hole now so big hole when they say right now this way you see so back again never strong again. I for let every camp so that if every camp last night tomorrow this all is good and if you watch what you not up here and back again if you watch just take a look at over to all. They are all in the system. The dossier. Yeah, if you can, you are not fine for sea. When it's small rain, you are not fine for sea. The supporters are all up the hill. All up the hill. Some people they cannot cut the chuk sticks. So as the small rain can no more, they take the hill inside the gutter. And what is the cause all this? Now that pipe today. That pipe the Papa government. You are allowed to talk to Buma Valley for if you want to so much again, you have to go and Mr. Marlon enter in every best for every more layer going to be small. If you want to so much again, all there. Look back again, water and coffee. The Buma Valley pipe so water pipe like this. And the water cutter because of the pressure. What the pressure they carry heavy. And I'm telling you, Papa government, if he every can possibly November pass here. Most probably November pass here. If you want that again, and let's keep fight. And what is not strong again? This will come out at any time. This electric pipe, watch out. This will come out at any time. Never strong you. Wait, making us strong with water. When you water, don't hit it under, not even get any health again. If you watch, you can have water. Le point I hope you see that red day. That red line there you see. Now the water is stop. Just take a look no more. Just take a look. Over now the water is stop. All the way. Look back again. People fight here all the water. They can walk. You take a look at over now. You see the whole way left. This back again. Not ever strong again. This and Mr. Marlon just try for you. At least for let this no go scatter. So that way, although after go, try make them manage just for small so that they will be manageable small for you. And if you watch out so much again, this is the last net to go. This is the last net and this go. That's no way to last net. And I will say this back again. If you any small come back again last net, this back one strong again. Oh, don't watch no more. And I'm back again on side because of them and both on side. If you want to this last night and you have to walk again. Yeah, just this water they just go one side go back. One side on level best, don't put some of the bricks blocking and don't put them around. You don't Papa government. Yeah, that pipe. This entire area now for that small area, which is small area, one on suffer. We come out if you get cut that system for the they fix that system. What does it do? If you watch that under the bridge, just take a look at under the bridge that's on the right side. You see the slab, big slab which comes under the bridge now. You know what I'm saying? Where so all of this is your relation, you won't play. Everyone they in as to say, all man this exact area. If you see some people in frontage, look for support they get away. Tell them when they can't front they can't teach us no more. I think you're telling me. It's not this fight, yes. This fight is
we don't come on it. Thank you.
Sesay. Now one of the man they will try for do some work now. This wall they boil by the water they spill. They don't try for do some work and you see the work way they do. So what motivates you for doing this kind of work?
Well, as a community person, I don't born and raised in this community. I'm not thinking I just me own concern. It's about everybody's concern. You know, when I see things like this, you not get for actually just wait for the people that can ask you say do this when you know say if the financial is strong or capable of doing it, you get for render the favor because you know say not just for yourself. People and they will get small picking and then so they work and how they play now. So like at this pole, this it's a hazard. You know, imagine this is electric. If water can wash and for them, then the king can walk up and tap and before NPA go the can so then you know what within the consequences will be. So this is not my own concern then we make myself the generate my own funds and put them back into the community. It's not just about giving people money financially or giving them food to eat, but if you can put back to the community some things the way you know go wait past government count.
Well, like for make that bridge there,
right?
We not saying they cause the water for spill. I think it go na big go. How you see it?
Well, like about 7 o'clock this morning, I get a lot of youth people that can wake me up this morning. They can knock to me, can tell me say some other problem they occur in the area. But when I come, we know say it's a generational problem, not just the past few years this thing on the occur. You know, 5, 6, 7 years, 10 years. But then when we come for can assess them, we know say this will take a lot of finances, a lot of effort, and a lot of people concerned. People concerned in terms of Guma Valley, Ministry of Works, SLRA. So you know, my concern is not the money, but the people we get for involved, or let everybody go participate. Because making go Ministry of Works today, then go send me to SLRA, then I go SLRA, then send me to Guma. You know, it's just a roundabout. And we have no say, September rain is heavy. We get picking the way they play and work and all the time. Me visibly see today when the rain don't come, the water inside people like us was up to knee length. Imagine if it was September.
October.
You know, when the rain is heavy. So I want to make we put the effort, put the energy together. Let we should say this thing get done. Money will not be the problem. You know, you can replace money, but you need to replace people. If person dying also, you can never replace that person. You know, that's not my primary concern right now.
So wait till the who's can help you if you say who's kind intervention like who's kind level of intervention we expect like SLRA and other partners, the regulatory partners for doing this one?
Well, the first thing I don't do now is with a combination of myself, the youth man in the area, the older ones that were even fit for born me when I'm in my age group. We get a community meeting this evening at about 6 o'clock where we go get a decision where we go draft letter them out into respective ministries where we'll get for involved. Let them go get the right direction for we go get this thing amended. Because sometimes they will not the materials and money get for involved, but they have need for contribute. Because they might have the tools, they might have the manpower, even though we say we get youth man, they're ready for do the same job, but they are not the specialists in these areas. So we get to give 50-50 for make sure that these things here are so amended.
Na mimi the Yalimami Sambagota.
They are back with Yalimami way, na Yalimami Sambagota. Yalimami, what this water can the overflow, way they move on also. What are some of the problems they want to get?
The problem is property and the fuel. The fuel for the life and not for the property. So do I want help the government? Let them help we. Let them put on for people and this and that water. Now the gutter don't begin to well. When the fuel so, no say the water all go damage. Life will go. This Guma Valley pipe all day and that. Let them help we let them plan. Last year when the water first reach the back Montocano the pass. That's why I go call the mayor. The mayor can. He can't look, he go call Guma Valley there. Guma Valley then don't do no effort for this pipe. Let them forward for the government help you. If not so damage don't come up. You see, even the 30 years old, what if you give them the net? Now if you give them care around this money, let them know what you find. They don't go back and come back. The government will come out for me, they will take the net back. Run at you will not have the net in this country, then clear. We are with the big government, let them help you. And I don't know my Yalimami Sambagota help for you.
Yalimami, then say where the engine come in the net, everybody to wait.
All man they wait, sleep for them for winner this week. All man they wait, sir.
Sambagota by Williams.
Thank you.
Sambagota by Williams.
Sambagota big.
Thank you.
By Williams.
Yeah. So now that.
Thank you.
How are you, sir?